Greetings, fellow travelers and riders. It's time for another carousel ride. This one's going to be the Kinder Carousel in Germany at Busch Gardens, Williamsburg, 2024. And let's get on the carousel, Becky. All right, let's take a ride on the Kinder Carousel. Entrance is over here. We were heading to the exit. Lots of different colors to choose from, Becky. We can see them now. That's an ape. Jeez, Becky. Out of here. Okay. I think we're going the wrong way. Nope, there's the exit. Did you get one picked out, Becky?
I think I'm going to go with 32. It's 23 backwards. That's my favorite number.
Okay, you got the green 32. I might push up a little bit ahead here. Maybe 36. I'm thinking 36 or this one over here. I don't know why, but maybe I'm gonna go with 36 over here, or I can try to get up here sideways with you. All right, go for the mount. You're up. Okay. Oh, I kicked that thing behind me.
I got my left shin a little bit.
I'm in though.
Just a little bit.
I am in. I don't see any seatbelts on these.
Seatbelts on these.
Look at this purple one over here. It's pretty fancy.
It's very shiny.
This is a... Really, I have a gray horse. Number 33.
I like the blue color.
Oh, yours is pretty. It's like the actual tail horse. It's interesting.
Oh, I like it.
And purple would be a royal color. I'm on the gray horse, I guess. But it is number 33, which is an interesting number though. On the outside track.
I went with 32.
On the purple. Whatever. We're gonna try to switch horses mid-flight.
Absolutely.
No, I don't think it's a good idea. Yeah, we don't want to get kicked off. So it's just getting.
There's no like seatbelt.
Some of them do, and some don't. Those seat belts are tricky. Sometimes I can barely fit. I mean, it's crazy. So yeah, some of those. So I don't know how many carousels do you think we've been on now?
At least 10. Maybe a dozen.
It's hard to say. Have we been on carousels at just like other like state fairs and stuff like that, or are they mostly theme parks? Once in a while, we rode one in Vegas. So and then all the theme parks pretty much have them. Kentucky Kingdom, Kings Island, Cedar Point, Six Flags Great America, Busch Gardens Tampa. Yep. So SeaWorld have a carousel?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Well, it looks like we're going to have a really young rider, so let's switch horses, Becca.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the carousel. Before I start this ride, I would like to go over the rules with y'all.
Okay, we did a last-minute switch. We did a switcheroo. We tried not to film kids without permission. They got in there with the parent last second, so we're just going to do that and try to keep it on. It's hard to ask in the front. What number am I on? You're on number 2 and I'm number 3. Okay, so I've gone to a totally different one. You're still on a green bridled. It looks like a dark horse. You're on the dark horse with the green and gold. Green and gold. And I think I have I've got a purple, pink, and what's this lighter color? Like aquamarine? Okay, so I jumped over to number 3. Last minute, and Becky's on the Deuce. The dark Deuce horse. I gotta watch this thing. It's coming up and down. And yeah, I'm having a good time on this one. Actually, we did a last second switch. So no time to ask. It was like a tiny little wing or something. So I didn't want to try to give everybody give them their privacy, you know, as we say.
Interesting, there's no music to it.
Oh yeah, I noticed that. So
it's like the creepy slow down.
The Kentucky Kingdom. It's like it has the original sound score from like the 1800s, and it's almost like pirate music because it's like off pace.
It reminds me, Kentucky Kingdom's carousel reminds me of Roller Coaster Tycoon when the ride breaks down.
Oh, really?
That's what their sound.
And it was all like really dark.
It was very vintage.
Yeah, it was crazy. But all wood, I think. Yeah, all hand carved wood. The one at Silver Dollar City has the all hand carved wood, like the bears and stuff like that. on that carousel.
And
So
I'm
that's
just thinking
another.
about Cedar Points, the trophy race one right
Yeah.
now.
Okay.
I mean, it's not like a carousel.
Oh no, it's a carousel. It's just as fast as the steeplechase, I think, or something like that. And, yeah. So that's another great one. So okay. So this is the Busch Gardens carousel.
Kinder Carousel.
Kinder Carousel at Busch Gardens. The Kinder or Kinder? Kinder Kinder Carousel. All right. Had a great time. Thanks for joining us for this one, and we will see you soon on the next ride. Bye, everybody.